Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Exterior design of a modern wooden small house with a tropical garden. Overall aesthetic: a harmonious blend of natural materials and clean lines, creating a contemporary tropical retreat. Exterior materials: wood, the primary material for the house's exterior, showcasing its natural grain and texture. Opt for weather-resistant wood species like cedar or teak. Roof: a flat or gently sloping roof covered with a modern material like metal or synthetic thatch for a tropical vibe. Accents: incorporate natural elements like stone or bamboo for contrast and texture. Architectural features: clean lines, minimalist design with straight edges and geometric shapes, large windows, expansive glass walls to maximize natural light and connect the interior with the tropical garden. Overhangs, deep eaves or covered terraces to provide shade and protection from the elements. Open floor plan: consider an open plan layout to blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. Landscaping: tropical garden, lush vegetation featuring palm trees, ferns, and other tropical plants. Pool: an optional addition to enhance the tropical ambience and provide a cooling oasis. Outdoor living spaces: integrate covered patios or decks for relaxation and entertainment. Water features: incorporate elements like small ponds or fountains to create a serene atmosphere. Key design elements: sustainability: consider eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient design for a sustainable home. Privacy: use strategically placed plants or wooden screens to create private outdoor spaces. Ventilation: optimize airflow through cross-ventilation and open-air living spaces. Overall impression: a modern wooden house that seamlessly integrates with its tropical surroundings, offering a serene and stylish living environment. Would you like to focus on a specific element of the exterior, such as the garden or the house's facade? Interior design of a modern wooden small house. Overall aesthetic: a seamless blend of natural elements and contemporary style, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Color palette: earthy tones, browns, greens, and beige form the base palette, reflecting the natural surroundings. Accents of blue or turquoise to evoke the tropical atmosphere. White, used as a neutral base to brighten the space. Materials: wood, the dominant material, showcasing its natural beauty and warmth. Stone, used for accents such as countertops or flooring, adding texture and depth. Textiles: natural fibers like linen, cotton, and jute for a relaxed feel. Furniture: clean lines, modern furniture with simple shapes and silhouettes. Natural materials: wood, rattan, or bamboo pieces to complement the house's exterior. Multifunctional: opt for pieces that serve multiple purposes to maximize space efficiency. Decor: indoor plants, bring the outdoors in with lush tropical plants. Artwork: abstract pieces or nature-inspired art to complement the overall theme. Textiles: colorful throw pillows and rugs with tropical patterns. Accessories: natural materials like seashells, driftwood, or woven baskets. Key rooms: living room, open and airy with large windows to connect with the tropical garden. Incorporate comfortable seating and low-lying furniture. Kitchen: Modern and functional with wood cabinetry and a large island. Use natural stone for countertops. Bedroom, serene and restful with a neutral color palette. Opt for a platform bed and natural wood accents. Bathroom, spa-like atmosphere with natural stone or wood finishes. Incorporate large windows for natural light. Overall atmosphere. The interior should create a sense of harmony between the house and its surroundings. It should be a space that is both stylish and functional, reflecting the laid-back tropical lifestyle. Would you like to focus on a specific room or design element? For instance, we could delve deeper into the kitchen design or explore how to incorporate specific tropical motifs into the living room. Reasons to design a small modern one-story wooden house with a tropical garden. A small, modern, one-story wooden house with a tropical garden offers a compelling blend of style, sustainability, and comfort. Here's why: lifestyle and well-being. Harmony with nature. The combination of wood and tropical greenery creates a strong connection to the natural environment, promoting relaxation and well-being. Low-maintenance living. A single-story home is generally easier to maintain, offering more free time for enjoying the tropical lifestyle. Indoor-outdoor living. The open floor plan and large windows typical of modern design allow for seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. Sustainable living. Wood is a renewable resource, and the tropical garden can contribute to improved air quality and reduced energy consumption. Practical considerations. Cost-effective. Smaller homes often require less construction material and energy to build, making them more budget-friendly. Accessibility. A single-story layout is ideal for people of all ages, including those with mobility challenges. Flexibility. Modern design allows for adaptable spaces that can be easily rearranged to suit changing needs. Land efficiency. A small house maximizes land use, leaving more space for the tropical garden. Aesthetic appeal. Modern and minimalist, clean lines and natural materials create a stylish and timeless aesthetic. Tropical oasis. The combination of the wooden house and lush garden creates a private retreat. Visual appeal. The contrast between the warm wood tones and the vibrant greenery is visually striking. By choosing a small, modern wooden house with a tropical garden, you can create a sustainable, stylish, and enjoyable living space that harmonizes with its surroundings. Would you like to explore specific design elements or features for this type of home? Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.